friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. Today I will give you brief idea about what is work. So work means force into displacement. And for example, if we are considering any object, whenever we applied any force, so at that time the body it will be displaced. It is called work done. So force into displacement, it is called work done. Now what is force? So force means it is the external agency due to that body is occurring a motion. It is called force and its unit is Newton. So force into displacement, so Newton into meter, it is called work. Force into displacement, its unit is Newton into meter, and we know that Newton into meter means joule. So it is the unit of work done. So basically there are three definitions of work done. The first definition, theoretical definition. This is the theoretical definition, force into displacement. This is the object. Right now we applied the force. So due to this external agency, body is occurring a motion. It is called work done. The second definition of work done, area under the curve in PV diagram. It is called work done. It is the graphical representation of work done, area under the curve in PV diagram. It is called work done. Now, how can we derive this equation, relationship between pressure and volume? So this is the mathematical definition. So in brief, I will give you idea how can we derive it. For example, here we are considering piston cylinder device. Okay, in this cylinder, at the bottom side we applied the heat. Heat means it is the energy due to temperature difference. Okay, in the cylinder here you can see that it is the gas. So whenever we applied the heat energy to the gas, so its pressure and temperature it will be increases. So due to the increase of pressure and temperature, its volume is also increases. We have already discussed in Boyle's law, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So here it will exert the force on the piston. So piston it will be displaced. So here the volume will be increased and pressure decreases. So pressure means force upon area. So force equal to pressure into area. So pressure equal to force upon area. So force equal to pressure into area. And we know the definition of work done. Theoretical definition, work done equal to force into displacement. If we put the value of force, so force equal to pressure into area. So we know that work done equal to pressure into area into displacement. The unit of area is meter square and the unit of displacement is meter. So meter square into meter means meter cube. So it is a delta V, change in volume. So dear friends, you can understand how can we derive it. P delta V, delta W equal to P delta V. It is the mathematical definition of work done. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope this information it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch this type of more technical content, then please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends.